Hello, my name is Ian Smalley. I am a key account manager in the sector Global Industry. I joined Krempel in 2012.
What is Krempel's position in the tubes market?
Krempel is one of Europe's largest producers of composite tubes, and we have been producing tubes for over 60 years. Our customer base is a global one, with some of our key customers operating in the welding and bearing industries.
What manufacturing processes and competencies do you employ?
The majority of our tubes are produced by the convolute winding process. However, we also produce tubes from filament winding, spiral winding, and pultrusion processes.
How does Krempel differ from its competitors?
For many applications, our tubes are manufactured from material produced within our own group. And over the many years of producing tubes, we have developed processes capable of making tubes to high quality standards and exacting tolerances, all in an efficient and cost-attractive way. We also have the capability to produce tubes in other formats, for example square, L or U-shaped sections or other cross-sectional formats.
What material do you use?
We have multiple composite material options depending on the application. Some of our core materials include phenolic cotton, silicon glass and epoxy glass. But we also use many other materials based on our customers' requirements.
What are the core benefits for potential customers?
Tube production, post-production machining and finishing operations are all carried out in the same location. Obviously, this brings many advantages for our customers. Krempel are leaders in materials for electrical and thermal insulation, as well as materials for components in machine building. All this acquired knowledge and experience support our services to tube customers. And why should you talk to Krempel? It is always exciting to work with customers on new projects and to manufacture the finished parts to their requirements. Every customer inquiry is different and handled individually by our team of application engineers who always find a solution which meets or surpasses the customer's expectations. What can we do for you? Go on, challenge us.